Ultraloq's UL3 intelligent lever lock is designed to be truly keyless, for maximum flexibility and convenience. You are free to use the fingerprint, code, or key to unlock. You have full control of all guest accesses and you can simply share a code to leave to visitors when you're not there. Flexibility all in one, 95 fingerprints, 95 codes, and 3 spare mechanical keys. Less than 0.5 seconds for identification. Durable, waterproof and dustproof.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,